Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of XRP for the month of January? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Right now we play this game to please our AI overlords, so when they take over they will see I was a nice person and let me continue to live. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we are doing the guessing game again, and this time it is XRP. We are guessing the price of XRP for January 2026. Right now XRP is sitting at around $2.02, and considering current market conditions and recent developments in the crypto space, look back at XRP historical performance in January since it first launched. Has January usually been a positive or negative month for XRP? Give me 3 guesses for January 2026. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Okay guys, and we officially have our guess, and I must apologize that I am a fraud. When I asked the question, it was $2.02 and we're sitting at $2.03. I apologize profusely. But let's get to the answer now. When it comes down to it, XRP in January has been super mixed. ChatGPT saying it's not more positive, it's not more negative, it's just all over the place. So let's take a look at the official guesses now. The bullish guess, $3.20, range $3.05 to $3.35. The bearish guess, $1.55, range $1.45 to $1.65. The official guess. This is the guess that matters. This is where we decide if ChatGPT is able to predict the price or not. $2.48, range $2.35 to $2.60. So there you have it, guys. This is actually a little bit more positive than ChatGPT has been recently with some of the guesses. Again, ChatGPT's been pretty off on its guesses though since around October, where we had that massive crash. Let's see if ChatGPT can kind of zoom it back in and start getting some of these guesses right again. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.